Hi, I'm Bose and I'm with Jirehsupplies, and today we're going to unbox a brand new Bose speaker. It's the S1 Pro. It's a smaller, lightweight, portable speaker from Bose. It is brand new, just out on the market, and so we're going to open it up, power it up, and see what we've got. So the Bose S1 is a smaller brother to the L1 Compact. It's about half the size, half the number of speakers. There's our power cord. And of course the foam. And here, packaged and ready to go, is the dust cover that comes with it. And we'll just set this box to the side. And our packing, of course, in typical Bose form, they pack everything extremely well. So in any type of shipping situation, it won't get damaged. There we go. So here is the new Bose S1 Pro. It's a small speaker. It is tilt at various angles. And here's all the controls. So let's power it up for the first time and see what we have. All right, and for the first time, so we power it up. Now the speaker is make sure everything's plugged up. So now we've got it plugged into power, and here is the two input channels. So you can plug a microphone into it, you can plug a guitar into it or a keyboard, and our Bluetooth channel. So we can hold down the Bluetooth button and make it discoverable. And now that it's flashing, I know that it's discoverable. And I just simply go to my phone and go to the settings and Bluetooth. And I just found the Bose S1 Pro, so it's pairing with it. And I know that when it's quits flashing, I know it's paired. And it's connecting now. And it's connected. So now I can go to music. Music playing. So apparently I've got, and I can see that I've got an individual volume for the Bluetooth channel. It's also got an auxiliary input on that channel. So I've got independent control as well as turning it up and down. It's got, on the two inputs, you can also have reverb and bass and treble, I can see. And it gives me independent controls for each channel of the volume. So thank you for sharing, taking a look at the Bose S1 with us. My name is Bose. I'm with Jirehsupplies. We are an authorized Bose dealer. We do have the Bose S1 Pros in stock and ready to ship. The Bose S1 Pro is $599. And for an additional $100, for $99, you can get a battery that goes in it to make it a wireless and battery-powered PA system. If you have any questions, you can visit our website at jirehsupplies.com. You can see below, you'll be able to see the link to the web address, but it's JIREH supplies, SUPPLIES.com, or simply give us a call at 1-800-478-2591. Thank you.